We're making Chicago deep dish pizza. It is a hearty pizza. Some question if it's pizza at all, but that's not a debate we're gonna take up today. I'll tell you this, it is thick, it is loaded with toppings, and it is delicious.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We start off with our dough, which means we need yeast, because pizza is a yeasted bread. Got some warm water here to wake up that yeast, okay? And to the package drawer, some sugar. Bringing it all together. So it looks like our yeast is alive. I see some bubbles here. Things are active. I'm gonna come in with some salt here. We're not using bread flour here. We're using all-purpose flour. We want a less chewy dough. Coming in with half a cup of cornmeal as well. We're adding the cornmeal here so that it's nice and crunchy and has great structure. We're gonna come in with olive oil. This is gonna brown the crust, but it's also gonna give us a lot of fat in the dough, which means flavor. Okay, I'm gonna try to bring this together now on the countertop. Creating that gluten, folding it on top, rotating at 45 degrees. All right, this is coming together really nicely. Okay, got a good clean bowl here. We'll grease this bowl up so there's no sticking happening. And now we cover it. I'm gonna let this rise for about an hour and a half. Piggy, don't touch the thermostat. I want this kitchen nice and warm. While my pizza dough rises, I'm gonna work on the sauce, which is very simple. We start with whole peeled tomatoes. I try to do everything in my power to make sure that things don't splatter. So this is the first thing I like to do. Why don't I do the old armpit grab? If you don't have access to an apron, you gotta figure out how you're gonna make sure that you don't ruin your shirt. Case in point, things are getting pretty wild. Okay, very nice. Let's see how we did here. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, I'm gonna move my tomatoes off to the side. I've got some garlic right here. Cool. We'll hit this with some salt and we'll combine with a fork. All right. So our sauce is ready. Our dough is rising. I think it's time to make some pizza. I've got a super fluffy dough right now. I'm gonna take that dough, I'm gonna put it on the counter. We're gonna cook this in a cast iron pan. So here it is. I want it to sit in the bottom and come up the sides, but any excess I'll have to trim. So I really would like to get this just right. And I feel like we're there. So I'm gonna really oil this pan real good. I'm gonna come in here with my dough. I'm gonna lay it right on top like this. And I am gonna start working it around so that it is uniform and pressed into the pan. So I'm just peeling some excess off here. So our dough's ready, our sauce is ready. Let's assemble this pizza. I'm doing some traditional toppings here for Chicago-style pizza. Sausage, pepper, onion. Chicago-style pizza starts with cheese on the bottom, so we can create an entire thick layer of cheese. I've got some pre-cooked sausage here, and we're gonna make that our next layer. Here's some red onion coming in. It's gonna cut through the richness of that thick, cheesy layer on the sausage. And then we got some bell peppers. And now we're gonna put the sauce on top. This is classic Chicago. My thought is by having the sauce on top, it protects all these ingredients from a 30+ minute cook time from burning. It's incredible. We'll finish it with a little olive oil. Okay, we're baking this at 450 for 30 to 40 minutes until that crust is golden and brown. I can't wait to eat this. Let's cut a slice. Here we go. My goodness. This marvel of culinary excellence and engineering comes into $2.47 a serving. This is a fork and knife situation for sure. This is a very juicy slice of pizza. Not only do we have delicious and classic ingredients, but we have a lot of them. So that dough needs to be able to hold it, and it does. This is the perfect combination of sauce, cheese, and toppings and structural engineering.